start this lesson, I'm gonna give y'all a beach ball. Don't hit anybody in the head with it. David. I know you're so excited when I brought this out. Don't hit anybody in the head with it. I'm just gonna throw it around for a little bit. Alright? Oh, catch it. Catch it and throw it.
Oh, we catch it.
Catch it and throw it.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Watch the thing. Catch it and throw it.
Go over there.
Throw it
Pass
that
it.
way.
Here, I got you. Pass it.
Give it to Jenny. Give it to Lachlan. As far as you can. Mary.
Alright, Elton. Alright.
No.
Right here. So, I know, it was so fun. I'll give y'all a couple minutes after, maybe 3 or 4. Alright, so, when you threw the ball, and it was out of it, you were not touching it, it was in nobody's hands, where did the ball go to? Did it go towards the floor, or did it go towards the roof?
The
Okay. Why do you think it went towards the floor?
Gravity.
Okay. Is that all? Do you have any other assumptions of anyone?
Like air pressure.
Okay, I like that. So, we were delivered a letter this morning. Turn it down, I'll get back to you. We were delivered a letter this morning. It says that it was addressed to the 5th grade class of Holly Hill. Will you read this letter for me?
Out loud?
Yeah.
Dear 5th grade class of Holly Hill, there has been a terrible flood at Panama City Beach. People are stuck in their homes and have no way to get food or water. The disaster relief group of Panama City needs your knowledge of gravity to build a structure that can safely bring the families food and water without it being destroyed. But hurry, time is running out.
Alright, so, sounds like we have a job to do.
No, I can't do it.
So, today we're going to build a structure to send food and water safely to the families of Panama. But first, we're going to practice with an egg drop. Okay? You must build a structure that must safely land an egg on the ground. But we need to learn how gravity affects a fallen object. So, turn and talk to your partner and define gravity in your own words. Back to me. Alright. Number 10. We don't have a 10 yet. Number 4. Number 4. What did you and your partner say? Can you define gravity?
Define gravity. It's the natural force in which something can fall back to the ground.
Alright. I like random words you use. I want you all to remember that. Alright. Number 5. We don't have a 5 here. Number 7. We don't have a 7. Alright, what did you and your partner say?
You said that like gravity pulls everything to the ground.
Alright. So gravity is an invisible force that keeps everything down to Earth's surface. So what do you think would happen if we didn't have gravity?
We would float.
Right. We wouldn't be able to sleep in our beds, we wouldn't be able to walk, run, because why? We just would be floating around. Like, right. Alright, so have the ball. We're not throwing it, I'm sorry. Not right now. I have a ball and I have this feather. If I drop them both at the same time, do you think they will be pulled up? Or do you think they will be pulled down?
Down.
Alright, so let's test it. Ready? What way did they go?
Down.
Alright, so question. What pulled down faster?
The beach ball.
Alright, why do you think the beach ball pool does?
Because it doesn't have mass.
Okay. Oh, and you said a word, a little while ago when you gave the definition of gravity. Do you remember what word that was? Sort of with an A.
It is gravity's natural force to pull down everything to Earth's surface.
So force. That word force. Turn it out to your partner and just define the word force. Alright, back to me. 5, 4. Oh, look at that. You have to keep all the way. Alright, number 24. I don't know how to 24 is.
Maddie.
What did you and your partner say?
Force is whenever something or someone doesn't have a choice to do something, or it's just a behavior.
I like, that is force, yeah, I can understand that, yes, but in science terms, if that kind of helps out, I'm looking for like a science term. 18.
Force is something that stops a moving thing and it drops it down.
Yes. No, you weren't wrong, Maddie. You weren't, I promise. I was just looking for a scientific term for it. So force, yes, is a push or pull that makes objects strong or weak move. So when I dropped the beach ball and the feather, you said what made it to the ground faster?
The
beach ball. And you said why? Because of the mass, which is another word for
the weight.
weight. Yes. So the heavier an object is, the more force it has. However, I want you to remember, weight does not affect the speed. Weight just affects the force. Yes, trying to get y'all to there. So no matter how heavy or light an object is, weight does not matter. Gravity still pulls it to the ground. So we are going to go into our activity of the egg drop. You'll be in teams of 3. Each of you have 20 minutes to build your egg structure. Okay? But before we get into it, here are some examples, some picture examples. Now we don't have all the materials that these pictures show, but we have some of them. Okay? So that is just to get your brains thinking of some different ways to do it. So if you turn around back here, these are your materials. Okay? Each group are only allowed a certain number of each thing. So you're each allowed 1 coffee strainer, 1 pack of newspaper. You pick them up. There's just one. I think there's like 3 pieces of paper in there. You'll each get 1 cup. Okay, you'll each get 1 pair of scissors and 1 piece of tape. You can get 2 straws, 2 toilet paper holders. But when building, I want you to remember the egg does not fit in the toilet paper holder. Okay. I'll show y'all. See? They don't fit. They don't go all the way in. It sticks out just a little bit. Okay, so I want you to remember that when you're building your structure. And you also are allowed 2 pieces of cardboard. Okay? Yes. Do what now?
Can you make seatbelts?
Seatbelts?
You can make it however you want.
How does that say? You're the designer. So, remember when you're building, okay? When you start building, when you get in your groups, you got 20 minutes to build. But before you're able to even go and get materials, you and your group must design your structure. You must draw a picture. 1 person in the group will draw a picture of your structure. Raise your hand. I will come and look at your structure and I'll ask you a couple questions about it. And then you're able to go get materials, okay?
Okay.
I'm not looking at artists because I can't draw it. But, so, when building, the internal padding is what cushions the egg. And the external padding is what safeguards the impact to the ground. Remember the weight and the force your structure has, as we will test your structure. Your structure must keep the egg intact, as this will help us send food and water to the families of Panama. So what do we need to remember when we're building? Yes, but also the big thing about it, what do we need to remember so that way it will safely land to the ground? Starts with W.
Weight.
Weight. And weight affects the, you got it?
Force.
Yes. Weight does not affect the speed. Remember that? Okay? So weight affects the force. Weight does not affect the speed. Got it. Alright. So I'll bring your groups. Alright, so if you want to go on ahead and get your groups, one person in your group must have a drawing of your build. I must approve it before you're able to go and get materials.
Wait. Come on, Noah.
She's the best at
I'm on. No.
Piece of paper and scissors.
Yeah, but we can.
I'm going to use the color so that we can like use it. No, we can okay, so we can cut it in half, put it one on the bottom of the axe, put it on the top of it, and then just like take it.
Alright, your timer is up here.
And you're gonna wait.
You can have 5 minutes to design and then you can
Like tape it down. And then we could take two. We could yeah, like I don't think we have to. Wait. We have a cup. Some cup. Oh, right. So what is? I think well, if you have the cup at the bottom, yeah, to push, yeah, to like push it.
Or we can like
What is that question?
Wait, okay, maybe we don't, we broke up the piece of towel, but we put the egg on top and put the paper and then on top of the egg. Yeah, that would be the
And then we can use the straws as like cover.
Yes. No. You can just That's a lot. What are we doing? Okay, yeah, we're just gonna say that's
There, we'll just put it right here. Okay, come on.
Oh wait, should I get the egg? There's an egg.
Do we get the egg yet?
I don't know. No, we don't get the egg.
We don't get the egg yet.
Oh yeah, we don't get the egg. No, we don't get the egg. Wait, do we use that? Watch out. Okay, wait.
Cool out.
Hey guys, look, everything on this side of the scissors and tape, you get 2. Everything on this side, you get 1. You got all each side.
There's only one. So, I think we should use the straws. No, do not. Egg? Should I get the egg? Should I get the egg? No. So, we can put the eggs. Wait, you can put the egg in there and then cover it up with
Well, no, we need big pieces.
Hey, you have 15 minutes.
We don't need
Oh, it will be fun. It's on the other side, dude.
Yeah, how are we going to trap it in?
It's gonna go slow. No, it's gonna go slow. Turn. No, let me see. This way. Let me slow. But the belly from the
It's probably gonna be demon possessed. What do you think?
correct. You haven't even taped anything.
But honestly, we gotta cut the
Dude, that was like he's gonna fall.
Don't forget when building food, the eggs don't fit in the toilet paper roll.
I'm gonna ask.
It looks so good.
She said that. Here, give me some scissors. I'll show you what the straw is. is like
Oh, I know it is.
So what are we gonna put there? Oh, let's add 2 more straws. What are we gonna put there? So look, watch this. No, it's his.
Wait, how much of this? How much of this? Wait,
You want me to tape it? I'll put 2 more straws. We can't eat. No, okay. So it's gonna Here. I can't read it. Can you hold this right here?
Oh, yeah. Do your best.
We can make like,
Here, make another one. Wait, I'm fixing this.
Oh, no, we don't have science.
It needs to be more around the sides. It should go like that.
Okay.
No, but then the it's not gonna get in the air. What's this? What's this?
Y'all got 9 minutes.
What's this? Sorry.
Not 8.
8 minutes.
That's 8 minutes. 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
We can put that for
Basically 9 minutes.
Watch this. Here, I'm about to.
Okay, 8 minutes and 30
Wait,
seconds.
so when the 8, with the 8 comes, we're gonna put it right there. Go like that.
I don't think we're gonna be able to do it.
Make it a bigger one.
Okay, here. Here, what's this? Ready?
Yeah, I got it. Okay, let's try it. Please,
so I can drink out.
Oh, gosh, look at ours. It works.
What did you put the
No, so we need to put, no, we need to put toilet paper. Let's put it on quick. Here, hand me it back. Lachlan, do you want me to take this paper?
Nobody touch it. No, Dave. It's about to work.
You're just gonna have to add tape over there. No, this, we only have 6 minutes. The 6 minutes is over.
Nobody cares about
Hey, if you're already finished, you go on ahead and start cleaning up.
No, watch this. This one is better.
Hurry it.
Fix it. Fix it. Quick. Put it. Just use this side. It's fine. Look, it's fine. Do it. It's not gonna be that I'm trying to.
Wait. Yeah. Keep on doing.
Wait, I have an idea.
Get the straw, and I want you to touch it. This.
Take the hand holder down.
We're gonna use it like, no, over it. Yeah, we are. But wait. Well, we're gonna put it.
It looks messy, right? Lachlan, you're leading. Octavian. Okay, wait, let me see it. And then watch this.
So that way we can put it on.
Yeah, we need to take this down. Wait, no. Octavia, don't do that.
Hey, as soon as I give you your eggs, do not drop it. Do not go ahead and test your bill. Okay? We're not going to test it until we get outside.
Okay, now do this side.
Wait. I'm gonna have to take this.
Now do
Give
that.
me one. Just here. Give me the scissors. Give me you. Cut it. One more.
It's gonna work better than it was before. I can't. Here, I can. Can we put more on the bottom?
What is this for?
What is this for? What is this? I love your experiment. Can I come into your experiment?
Okay, now, all we want look.
Irritating.
Guys, I have an idea. This will be called the egg parachute. Ready?
No, hurry up and put this thing on.
It's gonna be a. Oh yeah, we put this. Oh, we're gonna lift it up like this. Wait, Lucky, you can just lift it up and then fold it half. So don't pretend we no. Watch this. So we're gonna put that in. You can't undo it. No, watch this. So then you do that. No, just like spin a fold out. No, just. No.
That's my whole thing. Oh, I love it. It looks like a beautiful lamp. Good job.
Give me the other one.
Lachlan, don't mess it up. No, Malaysia, it's gonna work.
2 minutes.
Lachlan, don't. 1 minute.
Are you ready for your eggs?
Wait.
You are?
What is that?
Treat it like it's a child. Treat it like it's a child. Don't forget.
Okay, no. Not yet. I have to tie
And once we do it, we can't undo it. Look at there. No, do not pass that button. That's not a bin.
Hey, send them S for the egg.
That's why we have to make sure it's very deep. Look at there. And
Stop looking at her.
Maybe you'll see it breaking out. If the source was just a boss. Move, I'll take you.
Why are you closing it? I'm not.
I need the seatbelt.
What are you doing?
I need the seatbelt.
Here, what's this? Oh,
Wait, put some on the top. Put it on the top. Wait, stop running. What is this? There's no word. No, we're not. Leave it alone. Just leave it alone.
Alright, so
It's barely hanging on. Ours is it's gonna fall off.
alright, so here, hey, next week. Alright, so we're gonna go outside and we're gonna test your bills, okay? So in each of your groups, you'll come up. Hey, listen. In each of your groups, you'll come up. One person will describe your bill, why you chose to do what you did, and why you decided to build the way you did, okay? And then I will drop them.
What is that? The Peter Box super
Yours actually might hurt.
Ours isn't.